Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my awesome videos. Today we are going to be making the grimace shake at home. So first and foremost, we obviously need to get our blender. Okay guys, so now we have our blenders. Wiping my leg because it's wet. Anyways, so first we're going to need a cup of blueberries. Then some strawberries mixed up with raspberries. I only have strawberries and a little bit of raspberries, so I just used a little bit of raspberries. But if you guys have raspberries at home, then just use the raspberries, not the strawberries. Half a cup of orange juice. And let's blend. Hey guys, so just like any other recipe you see on the internet, there's a lot of different ways you can make this. One way you can make it is with blueberries, raspberries, and vanilla ice cream, and milk or orange juice. There's a lot of different ways I make this, but I don't have vanilla ice cream right now. So what I use is orange juice. Lots of smoothies commonly use orange juice, so that's what I'm going to be using. The color will always turn out the same as long as you use blueberries. So let's get to mixing. Let's mix. Hey guys, we mixed it. It's not a light purple, but it is a purple. So yeah. This is a homemade one, so it's not gonna look like the McDonald's one. It's a really dark purple. It's not a light purple like the original grimace shake, but this is my version of the grimace shake. JJ, do you want some of the grimace shake too? My brother's scared of it. Are you sure, JJ? It's not real. Anyways. Ooh, look at that dark purple. That's so pretty. So we're just gonna, let me go get a spoon. I'm trying to find a spoon right now. Oh, that's 40. Okay, guys, so I have a spoon right now. So now I'm gonna pour it in. Okay guys, so this is a leftover that my brother can try when he wants to. But here's the grimace shake, the darker grimace shake. Okay, I really want to try it. So let's get into trying the grimace shake. And a purple straw just for it. That's really good. I understand why JJ doesn't want to try it. It's super duper good. Try it. No. It's so good. Guys, this is so good. You guys need to try it. Try it. It's gonna happen. Is it good? Okay guys, I'm gonna put this away and I'll see you guys after. So that would be the end of the video, and make sure to try this recipe at home because it is bussin'. It is so good. Super duper good. Don't try this at home at all. The stuff in this video is all fake, so don't take it seriously. Bye guys, always remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another awesome video. Sorry if I scared you.